Now these are a few bits that we found down local nature reserve. I haven't got any film footage, but I've just put a load of photos of the bits in situ beforehand. So this is a bit of a roundup of them. There's a bit of blue on there. Another edge of a plate. Probably looks like it's hand painted. So I don't know how that piece is. Another little bit, probably willow. Nice little bit of blue, small piece, and a bit, probably just says registered design. It's probably the base, the plain plate, as part of the back stamp, and pretty blue flowers playing on the inside. Thin cup, part of a Gilner marmalade jar, and a large chunk of probably soup bowl going off the profile. A bit of design on the other side as well. But this is a piece that's been in another video that we found some time ago, and literally just matches the same pattern there with the swirls and the lines, which is a little bit unusual. And galvanised steel plate, which I've just wire brushed, and I can make out JC1 and CWT, so it's some plate off. It had two rusty nails through that have disintegrated with cleaning, so whether it tied to nail into a pallet or something to signify weight, well, unusual.